Hi, I'm Jordan Mammon, your man for real estate. Hi, welcome to Jordan's Kitchen. On tonight's menu is Vegetarian Dynamite Rolls. I'm going to show you how to make this sushi better than the restaurant, so stay tuned. How's that look? Is my hair okay? And there's typically about 2 cups of rice, and I'm doubling that recipe. So, because we're very hungry guys. All right, we get that tip off. So she said. Oh yeah, she says that a lot. So we're just gonna take this on the mandolin and give it a slice. That's the perfect thickness there. Just watch your fingers when you're going over the mandolin, just like that. You're feeding a horse, you know. Wow. Ah! Ooh, you good? Hey. Let me just throw this sucker back on. Just like so. Just like so, guys. Sometimes it's just like so. It's like so. Before you know it, these eggplants are gonna draw out all the moisture and they're gonna be absolutely ready to fry, golden crispy, and they're gonna replicate that eel absolutely perfectly. And that's gonna make it nice and crispy when it fries. It's molding, bro. Seeds here. All right, I have this nice little teaspoon that I use for that, and it's actually just perfect. You just want to take those out ever so nicely. You don't take too much of the flesh, just the seeds. So we just have sugar and we have some rice wine vinegar here we're gonna season the rice with. Trim a little bit here. Grab the rice, the amount I need. I'm just gonna evenly distribute it before I start squashing it everywhere so I can gauge how much rice I need. You don't wanna put too much rice. That's so important with sushi. If you put too much rice, that's pretty much it. Any more rice than that, it's not gonna be good. Keep wetting my hands and keep working. Wet your hands so it doesn't stick to your fingers. So important. That's looking good. I don't see any thin spots. It's pretty even. I'm gonna grab our sheet here. We got our cream cheese layer. Now we're gonna put our sweet potato we were working on. We roasted that beautifully. And I'm just gonna get some eggplant. I wanna make sure I distribute that eggplant nice and evenly. It's gonna act as our eel. Then I'm gonna grab my cucumber slices. Okay, that's our roll there. Okay, that's a lot of shit to fit in there. So how are we gonna do it? We're just gonna fold over to here just like so. I'm just gonna pull that shit tight. And then, now that's tight as I can make it, roll that over. And then from there, we just take our dynamite roll and just kind of shape it. And then to make this as beautiful as it could ever possibly be, and we're just gonna sprinkle our microgreens on top. So each bite gets a little microgreens. Nice and pretty. Oh shit! Oh, why is it keep going up? Oh!
Yeah. Ooh.